Hello friends, this is Vikram Korde, Assistant Professor of Agricultural Economics, KKO College of Agriculture, Nasik. In this online learning session, we can see what do we mean by buying and selling and which are the methods of buying and selling. So first is what do we mean by buying? So buying activity involves the purchase of the right goods at the right place at the right time in the right quantities and at the right price. It involves the problems of what to buy, when to buy, from where to buy, how to buy and how to settle the price and the terms of purchase. These all problems are involved in buying activity. Let us focus on what do we mean by selling. The selling activity involves personal or impersonal assistance to or persuasion of a prospective buyer to buy a commodity. The objective of selling is to dispose of the goods at a satisfactory price. The prices of products, particularly of agricultural commodities, vary from place to place, from time to time, and with the quantity to be sold. Selling therefore involves the problems of when to sell, where to sell, the whom to sell, and whether to sell in one lot or in parts. These all problems are involved in selling, and you know that buying and selling activity is the one of the exchange functions. So, let us focus on which are the methods of buying and selling. There are seven methods. First is under cover of a cloth, also called as Hatha system. Second is private negotiations. Third is quotations on samples taken by commission agent. Fourth is Dara sale method. Fifth is Morgam sale method. Sixth is open auction method. This is very important. Open auction method is again classified into three types. That is FAR system of open auction, random bid system of open auction, and roster bid system of open auction. And last one is a closed tender system. So let us focus on under cover of a cloth, or it is also called as Hatha system. Under this system, the sale is affected by twisting or clasping the fingers of the seller's agent under cover of a cloth. In this, some code symbols are associated with twisting or clasping the fingers. The cultivator is not taken into confidence until the final bid is cleared. So this method has been banned by the government because of the possibility of cheating, though it continues to be used in some markets. Second method is private negotiations. By this method, prices are fixed by mutual agreement. This method is common in unregulated markets or village markets. Under this method, the individual buyer come to the shops of commission agents at a time of convenient to the latter and offer prices for the produce which they think are appropriate after the inspection of the sample. If the price is accepted, the commission agent conveys the decision to the seller and the produce is given after it has been weighed to the buyer. In villages, to private negotiation takes place directly between buyers and sellers. Means private negotiation, this method in villages is directly between buyers and sellers. Third method is quotations on samples taken by commission agent. So by this method, the commission agent takes the sample of the produce to the shops of the buyer instead of the buyer going to the shop of the commission agent. The price is offered based on the sample by the prospective buyer. The commission agent makes a number of rounds of prospective buyer until none is ready to bid a price higher than the one offered by a particular buyer. And the important thing is that the produce is given to the highest bidder. So this is the quotations of on samples taken by commission agent. Fourth methods of buying and selling is the Dara sale method. Under this method, all the lots of commodity is mixed into one lot and then sold as a one lot. In this method, good quality and low quality products will face the same price. And this method is commonly followed in cumin, that is jeera. Fifth one is Morgam sell method. In Morgam sell method, selling and buying is based on the verbal understanding between buyers and sellers. Means in Morgam sell method, there is only between verbal selling and buying is based on only verbal understanding between buyers and sellers. Sixth method is very important, that is open auction method. By this method, the prospective buyers gather at the shop of the commission agent around the heap of the produce, examine it and offer bid loudly. The produce is given to the highest bidder after taking the consent of the seller farmer. This method is preferred to any other method because it ensures fair dealing to all parties and because the farmers with superior quality of produce receive a higher price. In most regulated markets, the sale of the produce is permissible only by the open auction method. So normally we can regulated market we can see that open auction method for onion or other agricultural commodities. There are three types of open auction prevalent in different markets. First is FAR system of open auction. Second is random bid system of open auction. Third is roster bid system of open auction. In that roster bid system of open auction, this is the systematic method of open auction. Seventh is closed tender system. This method is similar to the open auction method, except that bids are invited in the form of a closed tender rather than by open announcement. Some of the regulated markets have adopted this method of sale, which is time saving and involves minimum physical labor. So in that way we can see that seven methods of buying and selling. In that way, in this lecture we can see that one of the important marketing function, that is buying and selling. What do you mean by buying and what do you mean by selling, we can see in detail. Also we can see detail in methods of buying and selling, that is seven methods of buying and selling in detail. So thank you very much.